PIL Panthers. Saurabh bhai, come forward, this side, everybody. Fast. Fast. Vishnu bhai, Joydeep, may I please have the attention? May I please have the attention, guys? Guys. Shh. Oh my God, what a game that was. It couldn't be better than this. The end of season 5, Brookfield Premier League. We've got our new champions on the right. Oh, look at that. Happy dance. But, guys, can we have a big shout out for Team Clean Max Hybrid? A big shout out to the captain, Atish, every player. Come on, everybody, big hand for them. What a game you guys have played. This couldn't have been better than this. Thank you so much for that climax. Both the teams. Big hand for the winners, guys.
Well played.
Brookfield Premier League Season 5 has been a pure showcase of the brilliance, of the friendship, of the competition, of the cricket, of the camaraderie. Let's give a big hand for this beautiful initiative taken by Team BBN Network, everybody. Big shout out for Brookfield, yeah? Keep shouting! Before we go ahead, guys, couple of very important mentions. Big hand for everybody. Monish bhai and his team behind the cameras. Big hand. Big hand for our broadcasters, everybody. Big hand. Big hand for our commentator, Mitesh. Big hand for him. Zordar taaliya bajni chahiye for our catering people who made sure that we are energetic while playing the match. Big hand for all the players, come on. Big hand for Shiva Konar, everybody. Big hand for the exceptional execution and conceptualization. Team Pragati INC. Tej bhai and his team, big hand. Now it's time for the series of the player of the series of Brookfield Premier League 2005 Season 5. And to present the award, may I request Shiva bhai to please be around?
Sure.
And the player of the series goes to any guesses. Come on, let's give it up for Elango from Team Leap Titans. The best.
Guys, yeah, so actually the MVP, he was just 0.20 behind Amol from Brookfield Properties. But because of his game and because of the effort he has put for the whole team, we have decided to give him the player of the series.
Without any doubt. So last year we had the fielder, the best fielder of the series. It went to Atish last year. This year, the place has been taken by this gentleman from Brookfield Gladiators, Mr. Rohan Datta. Can we have a big hand for him?
He's not here, so Rohan Datta will get a 5,000 Amazon voucher and an
wow,
award.
that's great.
Yeah.
The best batter of the season, of Season 5, goes to... Wrong answer. It's Muthu Vijay. You guys are happy?
Well.
Congratulations, Muthu. Thank
Well,
you. Thank
Muthu.
you. Congratulations.
Also a 15,000 Amazon voucher.
15,000 Amazon voucher. Big hand. Not bad.
I forgot to mention there's a 15,000 Amazon voucher for Ilango also. I forgot to
Elango,
give
my
him.
brother. You gotta go your shopping. And the best bowler of the season, the best bowler of the series, season 5, Brookfield Premier League, season 5 goes to Mr. Prem Kumar.
Yeah. Not to forget also a 15,000 Amazon voucher. So the stats. नहीं, वो हो गया. Okay, fielder. Oh.
Okay, we just checked the stats. May I please have the attention, guys? We just checked the stats. And on the top of the stats, when it comes to fielding, it goes to the captain of Team PIL Panthers, Mr. Bishnu. The stats weren't updated, it just got updated and we got to know our winner. The best fielder of the season, of the series. Congratulations. And it's time for the guy who has been a big time pain in this match for you guys.
Guys.
And also the best player of
Best player of
this
the match.
game, of this match, of this final. Rohit, 1 wicket, 20 runs. And now it's time to present the souvenirs and the medals and whatever we have to the team who has been the runner-up of this season. People, let's give it up for Team Clean Max. Rahul, we'll start with Rahul. Come on, big hand for him. Keep applauding. तालियां बजाते रहो, guys. I want Adi to join, yeah, fast. Acha.
Media.
Core day. This is core day. Adi. Lydia. Bandari. Come on, guys, keep applauding. So we're going to be doing it after 1 year now after this. Rohit. Amit. Shritam. Ashutosh. Keep applauding, keep applauding. Clean Max अपने दोस्तों के लिए तालियां बजाते रहो यार. Ratik. Shritam. Anupama Dangi. Pooja. KP Singh. KP Singh. Can we have Atish? Come on, big hand for Atish, everybody. ये aggression भी जरूरी है गेम में. Last but not the least, the captain, Mr. Paurush Chaturvedi, the captain of Team Clean Max Hybrid. And also we've got the vice president and the one who heads accounts and finance, Mr. Deep Shah. Thank you so much, Mr. Shah. Thank you so much for this. Yeah, you'll definitely get it. Prakash. Now it's time. Okay, before we go ahead, we've got an important ritual to do. Our runner-ups are last year's champion and this year's runner-up. Story है, लिखी जाती है, बदलती है. कभी आप, कभी हम. इस बार है हम, पिछली बार थे आप. Let's give it up for our runner-up. We'll be presenting the runner-up trophy to team Clean Max Hybrid. आ जाओ सबके सब. Come on, join us.
Yeah. We'll call Mahesh from PL to give away the runner-up trophy, please. Mahesh.
We would request Mahesh sir to present the runner-ups trophy for the season. Congratulations to Team Clean Max Hybrid. Well played, guys. Well played. Thank you. Atish. It's time for. May I have the attention, everybody? It's time for the female player of the series. Any guesses to whom it's going to be going? According to me, every female should win the award, but again, we've got the ritual to do, जहाँ पर हम एक को podium पे रखते हैं because of the performance, because everybody performed really good. You guys participated, that's a big honor. Thank you so much. Big hand for all the females player primarily. Everybody, thank you so much for being the part of this league. Now it's time to declare the winner. And it goes to the girl who has not only taken the hat trick, but also the only female player to take 4 wickets in 1 over. Let's give it up for Kritika Sharma.
She's not here. She's from.
Well, hypothetically, she might be coming and collecting it, but practically she's not there. So we'll be delivering it to her in her office. Thank you, Kritika. Congratulations to you. Now it's time for सौरभ भाई विष्णु भाई कहाँ हो आप? नहीं मैं बुलाता हूँ स्टाइल में आएंगे हम लोग. So people, we've got the new champions of Brookfield Premier League Season 5 2025. इतिहास बदल गया है इस बार, कहानी रची गई है इस बार, और विनर हुए हैं the one and only, everybody's favorite team PIL Panthers. Come on everybody. So one by one I'll be calling the players to collect their memento, their medals. I would request Mr. Bishnu Mishra to please join me and help me into this. Okay, we'll start with Saurabh Bhai, Saurabh Rathi. तालियां बजाओ, आवाज करते रहो. Atul Bhai, congratulations to Atul. Monali, congratulations. Harshita, keep applauding for Harshita. Keep applauding for Anusha, everybody. Saket, Pragyansh. This is Saket. After Sakib, we've got Samir. Then we've got Akash. Akash bhai, this is Akash. Shivendra, congratulations, gentlemen. Joy Deep, oh my god, this man is so good when it comes to a game. Sahil, the emerging player of the season. Sandeep, oh my god, seems to have a lot of fans here. Mr. Ashish, what a bowling. And last but not the least, my brother Rohit. Okay, now it's time for the man who really earned it, guys. Can we have it for Mr. Bishnu Mishra? यार मैंने रोहित के बाद आपको पता है लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट कहा, आप वो हैं जो शुरुआत के पहले और अंत के बाद होते हैं. बिष्णु भाई जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. ऑफ कोर्स अपना काम कंपोज्ड जो आपने बना रखा, दैट इज द थिंग. आई थिंक it's not just about the game. You guys made a lot of people love you because of your behavior. Thank you so much. Great stuff, guys. Now it's time for that baby, that glory, to lift it up high in the air. May I request Tomar sir and Manoj sir to please join us here to present the glory to the champions.
Ultimately, trophy is going to New Bombay, where the World Cup we have taken. Now,
Oh, what an irony! What an irony! Absolutely. It's time to call the winners. We'll be moving our camera to them. Team PIL Panthers. Much needed winners of this season. What a game they've played, starting with Saurabh, ending to Bishnu. What a game. We saw Rohit, we saw Sahil. We saw everybody performing really well this season. And we've got the new champions of season 5. I'm sure everybody was waiting for this. Look at their excitement. Look at their happiness. And we've got the winner. See, this is the spirit. This is the spirit of Brookfield Premier League Season 5. A proud initiative by BBN Network. So BBN Network ka tahe dil se dhanyawad for this beautiful initiative. And now we get the tag, the Brookfield Premier League 2025 Season 5 Champions tag, which goes to this team, PIL Panthers, the well-deserved winners. They've perfectly showcased the brilliance. And Josh is high, spirit is high, camaraderie is on the top of the world. And we've got our podium finishers, Team PIL Panthers. And here we sign out from the season. Oh my God. What a roller coaster. You could see the madness behind. What a roller coaster, leaps and bounces, so many ups and downs. It was truly like any other Bollywood movie's climax. We thought that we are witnessing the history, but it was not, because we didn't see it coming. But finally we are witnessing it. Our champions, the new champions of Brookfield Premier League Season 5 2025, PIL Panthers. Milte hain in the next season with a lot of excitement, with a lot of respect, with a lot of cricket, camaraderie, friendship, brotherhood, team spirit, sportsmanship. Thank you so much, everybody. See you guys. Take care until then. Bye-bye. Thank you, BBN Network. Thank you.